3, 2, 1, go!
We are off in qualification match number 6. Already all three blue robots moving. We have Cockadoodle Dominators making their way to the middle of the field. They've got fuel in tow. They're on their bump. Shooting sideways on a diagonal angle into their hub are this red robot doing. 14-10 currently our score as we wind down this autonomous period. An advantage of 35-12 for our Red Alliance as we kick things off in this teleoperated period. Already we have 4 or 5 robots in the middle of the field, seeing how much fuel they can claim for their alliance. First offensive shift of our match is going to go to blue as they were behind, starting things off in this teleoperated period. We have red robots seeing if they can corral and collect fuel into their robots and shuttle it over into their alliance zone to help with their next offensive shift. We have Me Tool Brigade currently in the middle of the field in the neutral zone. Looks like they might be having an issue. We'll see if they're able to reconnect and join our action as our match progresses. Just that fast, we have a shift change. It's the Red Alliance, and they are putting up fuel, seeing as much as they can put into their hub is the Robo Bills, while their alliance partners look to see if they can align and make their way back onto the Red Alliance zone. Blue robots now in the middle of the field, seeing if they can collect some fuel. Me Tool Brigade rejoins the fray with some fuel in tow. We have a shift change to blue now. Blue is on offense, and we have the Robo Lions with a bunch of fuel in tow, as does Me Tool Brigade, seeing if these two robots can launch that fuel out of their robots and into their hub. Putting some fuel over to their human players to see if we can get some human scores in the match is the Blue Alliance, while their blue robots see if they can evacuate their hoppers of their fuel. Shift change now, our score 43-38 for our Red Alliance as red robots and human players alike launch fuel from their hands and robots into that hub. Some defense now being played by the Robo Lions on these red robots, seeing if they can interrupt and slow down these red robot scoring efforts. Cockadoodle Dominators launching fuel from 2 turrets mounted on their robot as they get dislodged off their shot position by the Robo Lions. Hung up a little bit are the Robo Lions as they make their way across the field back to their alliance zone, pushing fuel to their human players to launch them into the hub. 15 seconds remaining, our score is 58-44, still favoring our Red Alliance as the red robots see if they can put fuel one at a time into their hub. Clock at 5 seconds, more fuel launching as our clock hits 0. 61-55 our score with our clock at 0. We'll have a final to you to let you know who the victor of our match is just after this. We have our score, and it's our Red Alliance with a score of 62-57 in this very tightly contested match. 3 ranking points going to our Red Alliance robots for their efforts in the match. Once our field is reset just after a very, very short break, we'll be back to you with match number 7.